Well, hello everybody. Welcome to this journal entry. I had an eventful weekend where my son graduated from high school and my daughter learned how to swim without floaties, first try. Oh, and I also realized that I developed skeeter syndrome, which means I'm highly allergic to mosquitoes all of a sudden to wherever I get stung, it blows up to the point where I need to go to the doctor's. Awesome. Second downfall was my environment that I did build. It was not accessible to bringing in more people. It was it was too big of an environment, and it was really difficult onboarding people where they couldn't actually get into it with their own computers and devices. So I spent today building alternative areas for this project, and this is the first one. And so within this room, it's small, it's accessible, but I did add some, please tell me this is the right one. I believe this one is. I hope so. Because I've had to rebuild it at least 4 times. I did try and attempt to combine it with another room um, by adding the connector. I honestly can't describe how you do it, but it didn't work. It actually combined the rooms, this room into another room. So I can add a portal into here, but then there's no way of getting back here because it just didn't link correctly. So I did lose it a couple times. I hope and I think this is the right one. For some reason, it's looking a little bit empty, so I'm not 100% certain um, if this was actually the one that I just finished. Let's take a look into it. Um, so as you move about the room, what I said that I was going to do is put up um, quotes and things that students have written down over the past couple of years of their experiences of growing up in Niagara Falls or, surrounding areas and moving to Niagara Falls. And here's just a glimpse of some of them. So it's really, really heavy things that my students have, told me what's going on in their lives. So within this project, I want to be able to give them a way of coping and dealing with these issues in which, we will be learning about in school. But I also want to make this an environment for their parents or adult partners so that they can learn how to address, these very traumatic events in their children's lives. So I did embed a video which deals with trauma. And we can look at that
In the
another
mid
time.
90s, the CDC.
All right, so this is the first room that I built. Now the second room, because I'm scared to combine them again. And that's not it. Here we go. So this is the one I did end up losing this space as well. Um, Along here, I have positive quotes and positive affirmations that I've had the students write down for each other, such as remember to breathe, you're beautiful, you'll get through this. Lots of just inspirational quotes and things that they're thankful for. Most of the time, my students say that they're thankful for their families, they're thankful for the house that they live in, they're thankful for, that they have their health and their pets. Yeah, we do sometimes. I'm thankful for my video games, or I'm thankful for my cell phone. Um, but that's just a couple of things. They're teenagers. Of course, they're going to be thankful for that. Here I have videos that I will be posting on how to breathe and meditate and visualize back in here. And the same thing over on this side. So each one of these points is going to be a different facet, either of coping or visualization or meditation and breathing, just ways to dealing with the stress and trauma. I actually created a platform with stairs earlier and figured out that you can't actually go up those stairs. Area for sitting, watching the sun. So I did build, the platform and the windows in this area and added the grass and the rugs. And I will add those affirmations and positive sayings, as well as adding the videos into this scene. And that is where I'm at, because I'm scared to honestly do anything else without losing it again. So that's it for this week, and I hope to talk to you guys soon. Take care.